Okay, here I am again, and I am going to show you how to install this um, thing that I've been working on, this set of instruments. And I'm going to res it right here. Oops, what the hell's going on? Why is only part of it there? Okay, took a moment to res. Okay, gonna need to turn it the way we want it to be. Might be easier to open the doors. Okay. The arrows are always out here in the middle somewhere, so they're kind of difficult to grab. And I apologize for that. I apologize the second light made it difficult. Okay. I want this to be large enough to be seen, so it actually has to be a little bit larger than real life. So I'm scaling it up a little larger. Okay, that's a pretty good adaptation. Go a little larger. And you can also adjust the back plate if you like. Like that. And now it's taken way out. We want to get a look back closer in. And sometimes it's best to come to this, yes, the green arrow, come down here to the green and click it in. It all looks pretty close right there. And then I'm going to select it. I'm going to select the rest of the aircraft and I'm going to hit Control L. link it all together. Now, I sit my aircraft, go to mouse view, and there it is. Release brake. Having a little problem with this plane when I release brake. I'm going to fix that. Okay, why am I having trouble finding the freaking arrows? Why am I making a video? Because all I want to do is make this go up and down a little bit. There they are. Okay, stop. Let's go back to mouse view. Okay, let's go to start. Let's close the doors. And back to mouse view. And now we will use the E and C keys and the arrow keys. That's a real quick installation. You might want to do a more detailed and better job of that. And as you see, I know the altitude this airport is. I'm going to use my camera to look inside the plane. The altitude at this airport is 3 feet above sea level. So I can actually zoom in here and recalibrate for 3 feet above sea level. Okay. I guess you're supposed to be able to do it this way too. I don't know. Nothing seems to be happening. Okay. Thank you for watching.